Hey guys, we're on a roof here in Ouachita, and I kind of wanted to stop and show you a few things. There's been a lot of wondering on what hail does over time. We actually found a roof up here that has some new hail from the storm in May or June. There's been some fluctuating dates, but there's also a ton of old hail from past storms. So kind of right off the start, if you want to show a picture of actually one of the planes of the roof, you probably see that it's all spotted up. Now there's some old hail and new hail, and what people always ask me is, what does hail actually do over time? So this is a big example of what hail does over time. So obviously this hit probably, I'd say maybe 5 to 6 years ago, could be even longer. But what's happening now is all the asphalt is melted through because there's no granule protection, and now you see actually the fiberglass matting. You actually see it throughout all the way down to the ground. That's got one more layer of shingles until now we got some new hail right next to it. So this is an older hail. Now this is, my guess would be a storm from the recent year. Okay, I'd say 1 year, but you can see where it's just starting to take the granulars off. It hasn't got to the asphalt matting yet. Hasn't seen any fiberglass. As you can kind of top over here, this is like, I'd say a medium. Okay, so I think maybe about 3 years ago a hail storm came through here. It's just getting through the asphalt now. You can see some fiberglass matting, or the hailstone wasn't as big, but there's been wind damage all the way through this roof. This homeowner had no idea that she had this on top of her roof. It's a 3-story, 2-story roof. Said everything looked fine. She just bought it in March. She had a home inspector come. We hear this often. There's a home inspector came and told me I had 6 to 7 years left on my roof. Most of the times I bought a home in the last year, I know the inspector didn't even go on top of the roof, said the roof is fine. I was there when the inspector was there. He did not even go on top of the roof. So that was a little frustrating for me. So a lot of these homeowners are buying these homes and not getting a full inspection on the roof. So it's so important to have a professional roofer come out and check it out. So for this reason alone, this is the house. This house right here, this probably has seen the most hail I've ever seen on top of a roof, and that's old and new hail. So we're gonna go ahead and make a few squares, wind damage and hail damage, and then go ahead and put it through. So have a good day, guys.